Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both devices. Connect a certified Lightning cable to the iPhone and plug into the Baleno's USB port labeled for data. You do this because CarPlay uses USB for this model. Bluetooth alone won't bring up Apple CarPlay. Once connected, unlock the iPhone and respond to any trust prompts. Allow permissions. Make sure Siri is enabled since CarPlay relies on it for voice control. Now, keep the car in ACC or on. We'll launch the interface next. Once the cable is connected and the iPhone trusted, switch the Baleno head unit to the USB or phone input. The Apple CarPlay icon should appear. If it doesn't, open the head unit settings, go to Connectivity or Smartphone settings, and enable Apple CarPlay manually. On the phone, confirm CarPlay is allowed while locked, so it appears every time. Then, use touch or steering wheel buttons to navigate. Press and hold the voice button to activate Siri for safe, hands-free control. Finalize by customizing app layout on your iPhone in settings right arrow general right arrow CarPlay. This ensures navigation, phone, and music sit where you expect. If CarPlay fails to show, unplug and replug the cable, try a different certified Lightning cable, or switch USB ports. Damage or low-quality cables are the most common cause. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and the Baleno head unit. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable CarPlay while unlocked and accept the trust prompt. Without that, the system will remain blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.